Well, hello everyone. I'm back, the new proud American conservative. Yes, the new American became an American citizen last year. Very proud of that. And what time to become an American citizen, right? Unfortunately, we haven't seen anything yet, and most of you know this. Social unrest is just getting started. The entire financial system is a slow train wreck. We had CNBC, and I will post the link down below, basically celebrating that the weekly jobless claims are now lower than since basically March. Okay, so 751,000 jobless claims is something to celebrate because it's not 800,000, it's not 1.1 million or 950K. So we've been going steadily. If you put all these numbers on an average, 800,000 jobs gone every week for over 30 straight weeks. So when they come up with this number, when they pull it out, you already know if it's 750,000, add another 20% on that. Even if you don't have to add 20%, if you think that's it's the correct number, then just ask what is the total amount of jobless claims since these mandatory sadistic restrictions started. They're not going to say that. You're supposed to continue believing in this V-shaped recovery. Everything is fine. Stock market is up. You see your 401k go up. But if you follow my work, you understand that when you see your portfolio go up based on all this cheap money, based on all the injections that the Fed Reserve is doing, it's just nothing but devaluing the dollar, meaning taking away your purchasing power. You see that portfolio go up, but it does not go up as fast as the dollar is going down. So you need to dig deeper in your pockets to buy the same goods as, let's say, you could have gotten yesterday. So this narrative that we have issues with inflation, we're not getting the targets, everything is deflationary. We already know there is a lot of BS there, okay? Yes, some sectors like energy right now is deflating as we speak. But you go to the grocery store, you look at rent, you look at new homes prices, you look at tuition, you look at healthcare. I mean, everything that really matters is up besides energy, which is not going to last too long. Why? Energy is going to go up, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a matter of time. The two sectors that you really need the most are going to be skyrocketing, which is energy and food prices. Food prices are already there. So when these freaks on mainstream media are pushing the narrative that we are worried about, like I said, inflation is not high enough, it's just a bunch of nonsense to make sure that you are okay with whatever they are doing. Like I said, go to the grocery store, look at meat prices, look what is going on, and you'll get a pretty good idea that only idiots would want higher inflation right now, or any time for that fact. So energy sector is going to go up, and it's not going to be because V-shaped recovery, because our economy is booming and all this other stuff that you keep hearing 24/7. It is only going to happen because of war. There is going to be some kind of conflict in the Middle East, or possibly even in United States, or we don't know exactly where. Venezuela, it can happen like that, and the energy is going to skyrocket because the beast, the military-industrial complex, is not going to let the crude oil drop too much. If it does happen, I believe it's a perfect buying opportunity if you are one of those who likes to speculate. So I'm looking at an energy sector continues to sell off. If it continues to do so, everything goes on such big sale, and the herd is running away from it, and they're chasing tech stocks, Bitcoin, etc. I will be the one getting in energy stocks. It's not going to be as big as gold mining when it comes to gold stocks, silver stocks. Those are the ones that are in a second, maybe at the most third inning of the bull market. That's where most of my core positions are now in in the gold sector, even though I took out a lot of different positions recently, hoping for a sell-off, which I got last 2 weeks. So now it's time they're going up. I will be buying dips. But energy sector is what I'm really looking at. It is risky. Everything is risky when it comes to trading. But if you don't take some calculated risks, you will never make big money. So that is my setup. I do not have any positions in energy stocks yet, but I'm following it closely, and I'm hoping this deflation continues in the energy sector. Because like I said, let me repeat it again, the reason I see energy sector go up is not because of recovery in the economy. We are looking at a slow train wreck when it comes to the economy. It is because of potential, more probable now, war happening, or some tankers getting caught on fire. You guys know the play, and all of a sudden you see crude goes from $38 a barrel to 40, to 45, to 70, 80. So I would not be surprised by the end of 2021 that crude oil is over $150 per barrel. So that's my video for today. I'm going to leave you off with the background view here. Yes, I have cattle somewhere in the back, so I will have my own stuff here. I've been talking about being self-sufficient. I've been talking about getting off the grid. You guys watch some of my videos when I do unboxing of precious metals. So I try to walk the walk. I'm not just telling you stuff that I'm not doing just based on I listen to someone else's video and I'm feeding you their knowledge or whatever it is. This is, you can clearly see what I'm doing. You don't have to do any of this. I always tell everybody, think for yourself, be a critical thinker, and pull the trigger on certain trades, certain sectors when you think it's the right time. Don't do what I do. Just put it on the paper, look at it, watch what's happening, and then base your judgment from there. So take care. God bless you all, and we will talk soon.